Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today we are going to start our third course of statistical data analysis by using SPSS. We have already discussed two courses in detail, RStudio and Python. RStudio course is completed and given on my YouTube channel Skill Station. You can watch on playlist from A to Z. And second course Python is also available on my YouTube channel. And 70% of Python videos have uploaded, only 30% are remaining. And now I have also started a private training, but that is paid only 5K PKR for Pakistani students and $20 for international students. And that course is starting from tomorrow. So must join that course if you want to master Excel. So enroll. You can enroll by contacting to my in the comment section. I will respond to you. So guys, let's start from SPSS course. This course will be from zero to advanced level. We will discuss each and everything in detail. But first, you must subscribe my channel name Skill Station and follow my page. So guys, today we will cover three topics: how we can install free version of SPSS, how we can assess paid version, and how we can enter data on SPSS, and what topics we are going to cover on our SPSS course. So first, how to install, guys? First, you will come onto your Google Chrome and type IBM.com product. Here you can see IBM.product SPSS Statistics trial. Here you can get free trial of the SPSS. You will scroll down. You will scroll down. Here is price paid and here is free. You will click on the free option. Guys, first I will mention free SPSS will be for limited time and with limited options. You cannot analyze if you have many number of participants, more than 1,000. It will allow only to 200 or 200 participants to analyze. If you want to do advanced analysis of SPSS, you must need paid version, and a paid version I am providing you only with 2,500 for 10 years. If you want to purchase paid version of SPSS, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number given on the screen. Also, you can contact me through my WhatsApp group. If you are a member of my group, you can comment in the video. And I will provide SPSS paid version for 10 years only in 2,500. So let's start. First, you will add here your email. Then you have to add here your personal or any password you want to add. I am going to add a password. You can add your own. Here I have add a password. Yes. So now what I will do? So here I will add my first name Intisham, second Pervez. My number is given already. So here you which of the following best describe you? Here you can select full-time student or what do you want. So job title you can skip. I agree to be contacted by an agree different part of a special student pricing. Yes, you can yes or no. I will click no because I have already. So here you can set and verify email. You can verify your email. Here you can verify your email. We will click on next, and after verifying your email, you can click on next. See, and if we are company required, Sham services. Yes, I put it. So now I will come here. I will click on next. So it is not proceeding. I think anything is missing. Here password minimum data 55678. I hope so. Now it's fine. And here I will add my name. First letter should be capital. So it is capital. Now it is fine. So now I will move to the next sending verification email. Then email verification, you will go to your email address and you have to verify your email. So I am going to my email and I will verify my email. After verification of your email, you will get free trial variant of the SSS. Now we are just learning how we can install SPSS. Then we will learn how to enter data, survey data, how to enter data Excel, how to enter CSV and TFCR files. So here is code, here's my code, and I will copy simple this code. Yes, this code, yes, I will copy this code and paste here. I will paste here. Yes, I will accept all the terms and conditions and will submit here. So guys, this is how you can get free version. But I will again say, if you want a professional work, if you want to advance your knowledge, if you want to work as a freelancer, you must have paid version. So one time fee 2,500 for 10 years you can get from me. Otherwise, it is so expensive you cannot afford it. So if you want free version, you can contact me. So here you can say password. So here you can see that guys, this is total interface of the website. So here you can see that idea, product, and the solution. So here you will click on IBM, about IBM, IBM sell retail, communication, manufacturing, product, and the solution. You will click here. IBM product platform solutions, IBM learn and sport, explore more. We will click here and back, go to back. We'll click here, my IBM. You will click here onto the my IBM. Okay, guys, you will click onto the my IBM option, and after that, you will come to down. Here you can see the download option. From here, you can really click on the download. So click, scroll down, free trial. Here you can see the free trial, and here you can see the option for download for Windows 64-bit. You will click here. So guys, it is starting downloading. Here you can see it is downloading. Simple, when it will downloaded, you can install on your laptop. I am canceling because I have already paid version. It is so simple. So this is the first step how you can install SSS. Now second step how you can enter survey data. I am supposing I will open a survey data means that you have collected data through questionnaire. I am opening a sample data. Just for your understanding. I am opening employee data. Employee data. I will open employee data just to make it clear how you can enter data manually and how you can import data. There are two ways. One, you are entering data. Second, importing data. Here you can see that in fact the gender, be that education, job category, salary, these are the variables, guys. So I am opening my paid SPS version. I have opened. Now I will, you will first, here you can see interface of SPSS. Here are two options, data view. Here you can see data, and here is variable view. You will open your variable view, and here you will on name, you will first you will add serial number. I will add here serial number as R underscore serial number. Serial number and press enter. Make sure you don't enter any dot, otherwise it will not happen. Here you can see that with etc. Now I will add first variable. So for example, I have data and I have first variable gender. So first I will add gender. We will add here gender and press enter. Here you can see that gender is numeric with a decimal level, and second my variable is first gender. Gender G is small, so I will add small. Second is B date, so I will add B date, but make sure spelling should be same. So I will add B date, I will bracket B date. Yes, will press enter. Here you can see that now my third variable is education. So education. So I will here simply add education. So education. So simply known as, here you can see that this is how you can add your R data manually. So now guys, if you want to here in second option is type, me your data is numeric or categorical, numerical, what is the type of your data? Here you can see that. Okay, this is simple guys. Here you can see that type of your data. It is numeric data. So next I add other variable like minority. I will add minority. I will add minority. Minority. I will click here. Here you can see that now you can see data. Serial number, gender, birthday, education, minority. Here you can see that your data is filling here variable data view. It is variable view. So guys, second thing, here you can label your data. For example, gender, gender, working. You can add any level, education level. For example, inter magic matriculation, PhD. You can here will you write short form, and here you can label your data in a complete form as you want to label it. So this is the how guys you can enter data on the SPSS manually. So it was very simple guys. So now I will tell you how you can import your data. One thing, guys, how you can add value. For example, I want to give my gender name one, male one, and female one. For example, one for male, I will add M male. I will add here, and second, two for female, I will add F and add, and I will click back OK. So you can see that now I will open data view. You can if here now you can see one for male. When you will import data on SPSS, there will be one for male and two for female. Same you can give education name according to you. For example, metric for one for metric, one for metric, one for metric, and two for FSC, two for FSC, yeah, or inter. You can give values as you want. Why would give values? I will teach you in detail. Inshallah, in the next. Here you can see columns. You can column missing data. You will add here. You can add here missing values. So how will you add? I will teach you in next lecture. So this is how, guys, you deal with the how you can enter data, survey data. So now how you can import Excel, TXT or CSV files? Simple, you will come here on file option. Here you will click. Here this is option or the import data. Here you can select the file. For example, I am going to import Excel data. I will click on the Excel. You will click on the Excel. So here I have many data sets. So simply I add here a simple data. For example, I am going to add here regression sample data set. I will click on OK. So here you can see that my data set has imported on the Excel sheet. So this is the how, guys, you can enter data on the SPSS by importing data, by manually data. You can also add the TXT file and CSV file. So guys, last topic, how which topics we are going to cover. First, we will learn how we can data enter. I have teach you. Second, I will teach you about how we can transform data, how we can create variables, how we can convert numerical data to categorical data, and vice versa, and how we can perform the different frequency analysis, t-test, descriptive stats, ANOVA, regression, chi-square, time series analysis. Each and everything we will discuss in the detail in coming lecture. So this course will be, and also we will write down interpretation, how we can do the interpretation. So guys, first we are going to learn each and everything in the detail. So guys, you must subscribe my YouTube channel if you want to master SPSS course. So subscribe my channel Skill Station, and you can also follow me on my page. So guys, again, two announcement. If you want to seriously provide want to work as a freelancer and provide SPSS services, you must listen. As studio was free, I teach how to go and install. Python was free, but startup free, but SPSS is paid version. So you have to purchase it. It's price only 2,500. You can contact me on my WhatsApp number is given in the video. Also, you can comment in the comment section of the video or in my WhatsApp. So if you want to purchase, you can contact me. If you want to enroll in Excel course, fees 5,000 PCAP and $20 of bundle, you can also enroll. And the course is starting from tomorrow 9 p.m. classes time. So guys, must subscribe my channel if you want to master SPSS course. Next course is coming Java, and let's meet in next course. Thank you.